Notice how the character's movement, the vibrant environment, and the audio sync perfectly together without any manual keyframing. Normally, producing a scene like this requires recording separate voiceovers, sourcing background music, and mixing sound effects. This method skips all of that. We achieve this by linking 3 specific free AI tools, ChatGPT, Visk AI, and Flow AI, to generate every audio and visual asset simultaneously. These tools are highly accessible and interconnected, allowing you to bypass the traditional technical barriers of narrative video production. Step 1 is establishing our narrative structure. We use ChatGPT to build a clear, scene-by-scene storyline. We instruct the AI to do 2 things at once: write the dialogue and write out the exact image generation prompts we'll need for each individual scene. Next, we bring those text prompts into Visk AI. This tool acts as our visual engine, rendering the initial static base frames for the video. This diagram shows the Visk AI dashboard. Paste the first scene's ChatGPT prompt directly into this primary input box. Before hitting generate, set the aspect ratio. For landscape video, select 16:9 here to avoid formatting errors later. The tool provides a few options. Review them and download the strongest base image to serve as the foundation for your first scene. Creating one good image is very straightforward, but if we try to generate the next scene from scratch, the character will look completely different, ruining the continuity of our story. That brings us to the most common failure point in AI video: character morphing. When the protagonist's face or clothing changes from shot to shot, the narrative falls apart. To lock the character's appearance, we use Visk AI's image-to-image reference feature. Here is how that looks in the interface. You upload your completed Scene 1 image into the Add Images section and connect that reference directly to your new text prompt for Scene 2. By feeding the previous image back into the system, you force the AI to anchor onto the specific facial features and clothing of your character, even as it generates an entirely new background environment. You can see the result here. The exact same face and outfit carry over seamlessly, despite one scene featuring a fruit stand and the other a completely different section of the market. You must strictly repeat this upload protocol for every single scene to ensure that every frame aligns with the same visual parameters throughout the project. Nailing this consistency is the exact technical threshold that elevates disjointed AI clips into a continuous, believable story. Now that we have perfectly consistent static frames, we need to add motion, dialogue, and audio. For this, we move to our third tool, Flow AI. Flow AI runs on a generation model called Vivo 3.1. To get flawless results, it requires instructions formatted as a specific structural code known as a JSON prompt. Instead of writing this code manually, we return to ChatGPT. We give it a template and ask it to translate our original scene descriptions and character dialogue directly into this exact JSON format. On the Flow AI dashboard, start a new project and follow a path to the Frames to Video tool. Inside, upload your Visk AI frame, paste the generated JSON code, and link that static image directly to the code. Executing this delivers a composite clip. The engine applies accurate environmental motion, perfectly synced lip movements, and embedded background audio all at once. From here, you export the generated clips, drop them into a timeline editor like Filmora, and arrange your scenes chronologically to complete the video. By feeding the AI rigid, coded JSON instructions instead of vague text, you guarantee that the engine perfectly times the character's mouth movements to the intended dialogue. Zero manual keyframing required. When you put it all together, the final sequence plays out smoothly, holding the narrative and the character identity intact. Accomplishing this previously meant massive expenditures of time, hiring voice actors, and running heavy local computing resources. This ecosystem bypasses every single one of those bottlenecks. This workflow scales easily. You can apply it to build automated faceless channels, produce dense explainer content, or run continuous multi-episode narrative series. If you want to try this routing yourself, the exact JSON prompt template you need to bridge ChatGPT and Flow AI is down in the video description. Knowing how to use one AI tool is helpful, but managing the connective tissue between multiple free tools makes high-volume video production accessible to anyone with a browser and an idea.